beautiful day for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See you all there.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. Couldn't have any trouble.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Well, I guess I can do that for you, Goofy.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Wow. We're going in through the movie. We're going in through the screen. That's pretty cool. To the train.
You're animated.
Runaway Park train. Got another line to stay, so we'll be back. Alright, so we're on to your hat. I'm excited. Yeah. So we're on Mickey's Railway. Here we go. Oh, this is fun. 1928. Take my sunglasses off. Oh yeah.
Welcome, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride
Oh,
around
the
the
railroad. Oh, I see Goofy over there. In front of the train.
Mickey and Minnie.
Look, Mickey and Minnie right there.
What could possibly go wrong?
Oh man, the train broke up. Wow. Look at that. Look at him.
And thanks for staying.
Yeah, Mickey and Minnie made it to the park.
Right, told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I am so proud that we finally made it.
That's a cool ride, right? Yeah, it was. It was nice.
By my side.
Well, Goofy said nothing would happen.
What's this lever do?
He shocked himself.
Remember to gather up all your
That was dope.
Take your small children by the hand and watch your step as you exit my train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay?